Hi, my dear friends. Today I am going to talk about microorganisms. Microorganisms are very tiny, therefore we can't observe them from our naked eye. Their colors are very different. They are of different sizes as well. The smallest size that we can observe from our naked eye is 1 millimeter. Microorganisms are smaller than 1 millimeter. That's why we can't observe them from our naked eye. Now let's go to next subtopic. What are units that used to measure the size of microorganisms? Now let's see what are units used to measure the size of them. Three main units are used to measure the size of them. Those are millimeters, micrometers and nanometers. Let's go to next subtopic. Now let's see how can we observe them. You already know what is the reason for why we can't observe microorganisms from our naked eye. There is a problem. How can we observe them? How can we solve that problem? Now let's see how to solve that problem. We can solve that problem from the compound microscope. It is using commonly to research them in labs. From that, we can observe them clearly. Now, I will tell you where they are living. Microorganisms are living everywhere, as well as in your body too. Microorganisms are living in your body, in your mouth, eyes, nose, and in skin surface. Including these places, microorganisms are living in different places of your body. Actually, microorganisms are living in water also, and in vinegar, petrol, diesel, and in kerosene oil as well. I will tell you another example. In rotten food also they are living. Because of the small size of microorganisms, they have the capability to breathe them fastly. They are adapted to live everywhere, such as in hot springs with high temperature. In such places can take as examples. Now I am going to teach you how to observe microorganisms using the microscope. Do you know about the polluted water? Polluted water is made naturally from the disposal of waste. Polluted water available in drain systems as well. Now let's go to learn how to observe microorganisms from compound microscope. Now we are going to observe whether microorganisms are living in polluted water or not. Take some little amount of polluted water and a microscope. Do you know about the slide of a microscope? It is such as this. A microscope slide is a thin flat piece of glass, typically 75 by 26 millimeters and about 1 millimeter thick, used to hold objects for examination under microscope. Typically, the object is mounted on the slide, and then both are inserted together in the microscope for viewing. Put a little amount of polluted water on the slide of the microscope, and you will be able to observe some tiny organisms. If you can't understand, a link available in the description of this video. They are available how to observe microorganisms from a microscope step by step. When you touch soil with your hands, you don't know, but microorganisms are getting touch in your hands. Reason for that is microorganisms are living in the soil. This is end of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.